Hi all, let's see shorted list in C Sharp. In C Sharp, shorted list are collection classes that can store key and value pairs. Internally, shorted list object manages two arrays, one array for keys and another array for values. Key elements are sorted internally as soon as a new item are added to it. When creating a shorted list, you should remember that a key must be unique and cannot be null. A value can be null or duplicate, and you can access shorted list values by passing associated key in the indexer. C# supports both generic and non-generic shorted list. Recommended to use generic shorted list because it's provide compile time checking and performs faster than non-generic collection. Let's see how to create and access. Here created a console application. Let's create a sorted list using sorted list class. Sorted list inside the angle bracket, provide the key and the value type. Here I'm going to insert integer values as key. So int comma values are string. So string object is equal to new sorted list. By using add method, we can add values to the sorted list. Object dot add inside the parenthesis, provide the key comma value. Let's give some name. Like this, we can add more values. Let's add three more values. We can access sorted list values by passing key as indexer, like object inside the square bracket, provide the key value. This will print the name John. Let's execute and check. It printed successfully. We can access specific key value by passing key in the index like this. We can also iterate sorted list and access all values by using for each. Let's see. For each where object in sorted list object key plus, let's uncomment this, let's execute and check. Here we added the items 1 5 2 3 in order, but we received 1 2 3 5 because keys are sorted internally when new items added to it. We can also update sorted list by specifying key in the index object inside the square bracket, specify the key is equal to value. Let's add two more values. Let's iterate and print that. Here, instead of using var keyword, we can also use key value pair structure to iterate the sorted list like this. Key value pair inside angle bracket. Key is integer, so int value is string. Because sorted list implement iDictionary interface, so we can also use key value pair structure to iterate the sorted list. Let's command this. Let's execute and check. Here the result. We can also use contains key method to check whether the key exists or not before updating like this. This will check whether key 6 is exist or not. If it exists, it will update, otherwise it's leave. Like this, we can also use try get value method to get value if key exists or not. This try get value method check whether the key 4 is exist or not. If exist, it will print the value, otherwise it's leave. We can also use remove and remove at method to remove elements from sorted list like this. Remove method will remove the key which we specified inside the parenthesis. Remove art method will remove the element of the index which we specified inside the parenthesis. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.